drip, new bitch, new car. Who gon' send you up to the stars? Since you on my heart, stop playing, bitch, bring me a car. New drip, new bitch, new car. Who gon' send you up to the stars? Yeah, Scrappy says she on my heart, stop playing, bitch, bring me a car. New bitch, new drip, new car. Who gon' send you up to the stars? Yeah.
What's up, everybody? I'm here with my boy Brandon with his Mazda Speed 6 and about to get this video going, so let's get it started. Alright, so what kind of whip is this?
We got a 2007 Mazda Speed 6. So as y'all know, some of y'all had a Speed 3 hatch before, but it's gone now.
It's the new baby.
They were only made 2 years, 06 and 07.
How many miles?
100,000 right now, so it's currently pretty mint.
Easy.
Damn near brand new motor, gasket seals, everything has been redone.
So how long you had her for?
I literally just got it probably about 2 weeks now. I just sold my other hatch, copped this one, so it's pretty much brand new.
So still a lot more to come.
Yes, sir. It's pretty much started off. You got a course sport front mount going on here. I mean, the car's pretty much stock. It's on stock wheels, but it is on full one-piece suspension, so it is lowered. Brakes and rotors, it's a must. We got it tinted out, pretty dark. Pretty sure it's 15%.
15?
Yeah. Come back here, we got aftermarket lights. Pretty smoked out. Evil M.
You said, what are you finna do with the wing?
So at the crib right now, it's just kind of like a little, so I'm gonna sand it down. I got a carbon fiber wrap coming. I'm gonna wrap it carbon, make it look pretty.
All right, so you got an exhaust on here?
Yeah, it's a full exhaust, 3-inch all the way back, downpipe, so a race pipe, so a cork sport.
I'll get y'all the sound clips on that. In the hood.
Car is big turbo. It's pretty much full bolt-ons, big turbo. It's got a CST4 connected to a Cobb short random intake, which I am switching out. It's gonna be a 4-inch, so it's just gonna be pretty much gone, and boost is gonna be turned up.
There for right now.
It's got a GFB blow-off valve on it. It's VTA, so vent atmosphere. Cork sport from intercooler piping going all the way down. It's got a catch can routed up. All vacuum lines are routed to the box. It's got a three-port boost controller. Intake manifolds ported and polished, and VTS C delete. And then we got a full course work exhaust from the downpipe down. Car also does have a full clutch kit from ACT. Clutch is a little heavy, but it's definitely daily usable.
Inside of the car, we looking nice and clean, nice and mint on the inside.
I already know how it is, man.
So what's your favorite feature on the inside of this car?
Honestly, I'm gonna have to either go with the dash, just the way the gauges are set up.
Yeah.
Probably the center console, just the way they can see and everything looks pretty clean.
Yeah, it's a pretty big screen too.
That's a Eon head unit. I'm pretty sure that shit's off like Amazon or some shit.
Quick look at the trunk. Got the meth kit in progress. When do you plan on having that done?
Definitely after I get it retuned. Plug the Cobb back in, turn up the boost. Meth kit should be coming soon.
Crazy build on the way. Alright, so here we are on the inside of the car in this ride along. Shit sounds amazing, to be honest, from the inside. Not gonna lie to you, I really do fuck with it. So what's your favorite feature about the car?
Honestly, the whole front, the bumper, the way the headlights look, I feel like it's just mad aggressive.
I like it.
I feel like it's tough.
Alright, so how about what's your least favorite?
Shit, right now I'm useful both ones already. Has a big turbo. The only thing I do need to take, or the only thing I do need to change is the intake. So right now it has like a 2.7 inch for Cobb. Since I'm gonna be turning up the boost, I need like a 3.5 inch or a 4. So that's coming soon. I bought another Cobb so I can tune my car. Tuned by Paula. Shout out Paula tuning. But yeah, I mean that's pretty much about it. Oh, also injector series.
It's to come. The next big piece for my man.
Tuning coming soon, man. Tuning coming soon. I buy some different motor mounts. That's pretty much about it. The car's almost done. A couple little things here and there, but
Yeah, just to get it perfected. I mean, I wish I got to see the hatch. I'm a little late on the hatch.
yeah, man. Sorry about that.
All the Brandon's boys that got to be in the hatch, y'all lucky, bro. I know that shit was probably a
My
fire
hatch
fuck.
definitely was a lot faster than this car right now. But
From the videos I seen, yo, people be like right back to the head. Yo,
oh yeah,
everything.
my hatch was serious. My hatch is definitely serious. I do miss it. I ain't gonna lie, but the car did give me a lot of headaches. I used to work on that car constantly. This one is just definitely less of a headache. I really don't have to do anything. I don't have to worry about anything.
Yeah, never know what the future holds for you.
So it is, man.
Alright, so I did the same thing with Dion. I'm gonna ask you too. You got all the money in the world, built or bought. What's your dream car?
It's gotta be 1992 Eagle Talon TSI all-wheel drive. I had my step pops. He had 2 of them. He used to tell me the stories. The car was unbeatable in the street. Launched 3-4 cars, spanking Supras, RX-7s, turbo, big turbo. It didn't matter. The car was just a different animal. So if I definitely had a chance to build that car, 100% would.
Everybody, just want to give a shout out to my boy Brandon. Thank you for coming out.
It's all love, man.
You got any shout outs you want to do for the camera?
Shit. Boy Christian. Follow me on IG, cbb.isaiah. All my boys back home.
His Instagram's gonna be right here. But, you know, thank you for this one, bro. This shit was good, bro. It was a lit ass video. And I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.
Scrappy said she on my heart, stop play, bitch, bring me a car. New drip, new bitch, new car. Who the gon' send you up to the stars? What? Scrappy said she on my heart, stop playing, bitch, bring me a car. New drip, new bitch, new car. Who the gon' send you up to the stars?